Ayan, you are in a video. Be quiet now. Ayan. So they are now inserting the liquid, the joy liquid. Let's see what will happen to them. This is a story. Okay, they're now inserting the baking soda. What could happen after that? You're not in the group. Later, you orient your own group, not here.
Vinegar.
Oh, ayan. What is that? The volcano.
The baking soda. Vinegar. Proceed.
Ay, why many heads? Let's see the story of the volcano. It was actually presented by...
Go.
Wow! Love it! Color red. Wow, nice presentation.
Okay,
Lava. After this, let's see. Oh, look at the back of the soldier.
Can I put the vinegar? Yes. Okay. Hey, somebody took our vinegar.
Cell phone.
Plastic vinegar. No.
Look at the magma, it's still inside.
You know what? Here.
Oh, the passenger. The animal. The soldiers are shooting. Oh, look at that. Slimy. Oh, the dying lava. Oh, very nice. Let's have the competition now. Okay, they have the airplane. Jet.
I'm guessing. Put more vinegar. Okay, baking soda too. Ito the joy. More vinegar. Teka lang. Here. Bakit dami? Marami. Dito. Okay. Let's go. Upo. Yeah. Ito ba?
Yeah, there's more.
Nakapulo. Okay, good. Good now.
Wow!
Look at the shoulder.
Nice. Happy birthday.
Yellow.
Wow. Cool, touch.
Baking soda.
Uh-oh, the volcano.
Hey, baking soda. Baking soda. Water. I will put okay, stop.
Oh, lava! Lava! Oh, we're going to take it. Wow!
Blue, violet.
Also here. Happy New Year!
Violet. Can I try? Wait. Picture can represent it like blue. Okay, go.
Hey, you get the map after. Map. Arte, ha? Do you have material? We will watch for you. Wait.
Okay, go.
Wow, blue lava.
Blue
Blue red lava. Wow.
Teka lang. Blue and red, sorry, blue and red. Okay, clear. Uy, baking powder! Wait. Avoid vinegar. Tatanggalin ko muna. Wala. Ligyan yung water.
Map.
Hello.
Oh. Oo, yan na.
Tingnan mo, sir. Oh, yellow. Bring me yellow. Uy.
No, the map. Use the map. Aki, where's the map? Ayan. Get the map. Get the map. Get the map. Get the map. Wow, that's... What did you do? You know, the plant will absorb the vinegar.
Mag-discuss muna! Dito si Gopso! Bakit na?
Would you like to discuss now?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, you click first.
Yes.